Oh, it's just fantastic. You know, we have so many great personnel on our program, and the skills that they bring to support law enforcement are just phenomenal. And part of our charter is to support law enforcement in a way that allows them to do the law enforcement work they need to do. And so what our analysts do is they are specifically trained to come in and provide analytical capabilities. And in doing so, it frees up our law enforcement counterparts to go out and pursue the investigation in the ways that they can best do that. And our folks really serve as the analytical piece for our law enforcement partners. And so we work not only with police departments, but also with joint agency task forces. And the beauty on that is that it shows that it really proves the value of working together as a team. And we have a very high regard for our law enforcement partners here in the state of Oregon, and we see the partnerships and the opportunities for collaboration as being filled extremely well. And part of that is because of the great people we have in the law enforcement community, as well as with our analysts' abilities to work in a multi-agency collaborative role. And that's what we're looking for in our people that can get into a task force or into an agency and be that facilitator and operate in an area where we have multiple agencies and you know, multiple departments working together towards a common goal. Well, I think that the bottom line is that the counter-drug support program is a very valuable program, and certainly that's money that comes in through the Oregon National Guard to support law enforcement. But the impact to the community for what we're doing is just tremendous. And so it's not just the Oregon National Guard that benefits. As a matter of fact, the greater benefit is to the citizens of the state of Oregon. And the impact of just several guardsmen in supporting our law enforcement partners is extremely significant. It's tremendous. And when we allow our law enforcement partners to pursue the types of things that they're able to pursue because our people can pick up that workload, that's just fantastic. And like I said, we work on not just the state level, but also at the federal level too. So we support federal agencies, and we also support local agencies at the lowest level in the community. And so by having cuts and limitations to our budget, we impact the citizens not only of the state of Oregon, but as you heard today, across the country, and it can be pretty significant. And so the cases that you heard about today, I think were pretty clear that the impact of just 2 or 3 guardsmen can have far-reaching, ramifications across the state. And the great things that our folks are doing, I'm not sure how you can even put a price on that or put a cost on that for what it costs to employ them. I think that we get such a huge benefit, it's almost immeasurable.
You know, the Oregon counter-drug folks in the police bureau, in this case and other cases, I can say that their work was absolutely invaluable. I've spent about 8 years in the drug unit in the mid-1990s, and we established a relationship with the Oregon National Guard counter-drug program then. And that support provided something to the police bureau that we didn't have. We just did not have a robust intelligence analyst capability, and it is absolutely necessary in drug cases, particularly larger drug cases. Folks that distribute controlled substances over the years have gotten much smarter. They work off of cell phones now, and they're very highly mobile, and it's not unusual to see them change identities, use multiple cell phones, different cars, change their addresses, which means that a robust intelligence gathering capability is absolutely essential. And the National Guard counter-drug program in Portland, or I should say in Oregon, has provided that capability. It helped us make a good case even better. The partnership with the Oregon National Guard counter-drug program over the years has been absolutely tremendous, and it's provided us with a capability that we don't have. We're the largest agency in the state. We've got about 950 sworn officers now, but our agency, like every agency in the state and maybe across the country, has seen tough budget times, and as a result, a lot of the capability that we've had over the years has been cut. And the counter-drug support program from the Oregon National Guard has been absolutely invaluable, and the partnership we've had with you as like I said, has helped us make a really good drug unit into an even better one.
I mean, I can't tell you how much we appreciate the relationship we have with the Guard, and it turns out to be, just a benefit for everybody.